What a perfect lunch for a day at the beach. Pan Bagnat. I'll show you how to make it right now.
Cut the top off a round loaf of bread. Hollow out the middle, leaving a ½ inch around each side. Brush the inside with olive oil, and the lid too. Line the bottom with roasted red peppers. Thinly sliced red onions next. Cover with fresh basil leaves. Then olives. A layer of fresh mozzarella. Another layer of tomatoes. More salt and pepper, and another layer of basil. An ample layer of deli ham. More roasted red peppers, cheese, and finally tomatoes and salt and pepper. Cover, press it down, and wrap it.
Find something heavy, smash it down a bit. Keep this on top of it while you put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, or possibly overnight if you've got the time.
Can't wait to try it. Mmm.